Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about 3 reasons why online websites don't work. My name is Rupa and I'm your community realtor. So the amazing people of Toronto, especially Mississauga. Make sure you like, share and hit the subscribe bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. I would love for you to stay till the end where I give you my extra special bonus. Now let's talk about ZESTIMATEs of your property. What's that, you're probably thinking? It's an estimate based on websites like Zoocasa, House Sigma, or even Zolo. Let's understand why real estate websites don't work. Is your online home value site estimates accurate? In the present time, there are so many ways buyers and sellers can get their information about their home as well as the community that they live in. They fill out price calculation, pre-qualifying certification, mortgage estimates, and even value tracking. All online. It's a lot of information. It looks good when you're looking at it, and it feels amazing and empowering to have all these numbers in front of you. Are they actually correct? Are they benefiting? And should you trust them? The truth is, many of these big box websites, calculators, have been known to be way off, sometimes as much as 100,000 or more. And here's why. Number one, they don't perform a professional comparative market analysis. They don't compare apples to apples, but rather compare to pears and oranges. Joking aside, these websites do not compare properties that are alike, but rather any properties that are within a neighborhood. The result is an inaccurate result. Number two, they don't take into account any renovation that have been done. How is your property different than your neighbor's? Have they been inside your home? They haven't. So how can they make that kind of a judgment call? Getting a qualified professional is a key to a more accurate picture. Number three, the eternal question, how is the market? Market conditions are never the same. For example, in 2017, the market drastically changed from a couple of months, resulting in properties that were not selling. How can an auto-generated website predict the value of a home if a week prior the market was running high and then all of a sudden the market declined for a couple of months? Now for my bonus tip. Although you can start with the automated estimate, it's safe to say that it does best when paired with a real estate agent who has the knowledge, who can gather personal information about you, your personal property, about your neighborhood, about the streets, and they know what improvements and repairs that have been done inside your home. As a realtor, I'm able to do the research so I know where your home stands in the current market and what kind of market conditions you're dealing with. That alone can be a major difference in listing a price that is going to bring you top dollars or a price that will have your home sitting on the market. Lesson here is that while online sites are a good guidance for buyers and sellers, but they do not provide the most accurate information. If you found value in this video and would love to see more future content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you want to reach out to me, see the text below. From me, you'll get no pressure, no sales tactic, just the help and the guidance that you need. See you in my next video.